Hello, I'm on the Sawmill Pass Trail and I am starting Southern Big Secchi Loop. I did Northern Loop last summer and I'm picking up where I left off. Started hiking down in the Owens Valley behind me and I'm climbing up towards Sawmill Pass. There's a lot of climbing today. Made it to Sawmill Pass. I think I climbed almost 7,000 feet, maybe like 6,800, something like that. And yeah, I got 11 days of food in my pack. that was quite a climb. I made it. Woo! I'm lying down in my tent and I'm very happy about it. I just got word that Bub's Creek has a lot of downed trees that make it really slow going and almost impassable, so I'm thinking I might change my entire plan. I was gonna do Big Secchi Southern Loop, but I might just go southbound on the JMT. I'm gonna think about it. I'm camped at Lower Woods Lake, and I don't know, pretty close to the JMT junction, a mile or two. So I'm gonna head toward Ray Lakes tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. I just got to the junction with the John Muir Trail. Just crossed Woods Creek. No bridge. There's a lot of water, but managed to find my way on rocks across all the different braids. Thought I might have a chilly wade there because it's still cold out this morning, but made it across. Just crossed White Fork, a little bit above the trail crossing, so it looked mellower in here. Wasn't too bad. Just crossed the Woods Creek suspension bridge. Awesome as always. There's lots of avalanche debris and, trees and snow, so I have to go around. Just crossed Baxter Creek. It was above the knee, maybe thigh deep, and flowing quite a bit. Good morning from Ray Lakes. So yesterday was quite tough with a lot of water crossings, maybe 15, mostly getting feet wet and some thigh deep. Mostly not that deep, but some of them swift flowing and deep. So anyway, there was also a big section with avalanche debris with a lot of snow and downed trees, and you had to do some detours and a lot of bushwhacking. So yesterday was pretty tough. I thought about taking a rest day, a layover here at Ray Lakes, but decided to continue on, although maybe not go so far today. Anyway, I'm heading toward Glen Pass. Good morning. This is the sign at the junction from the JMT and Charlotte Lake, and there's not usually water here, but it's a different kind of year. Camped at Charlotte Lake last night with some new friends. I've been climbing up Bub's Creek. I actually just crossed Bub's Creek. It's a wade about ankle deep, but swiftly flowing, and heading to camp somewhere before Forester Pass. camped a couple miles north of Forester Pass. My tent, beautiful scenery. Got my dinner, cold soaked some hummus and rice, pretty tasty. And we'll go over Forester Pass tomorrow. I'm at Forester Pass. Glad I made it up here. There were a bunch of snow patches. Sorry, I'm having celebratory jelly beans. Sorry, I'm chewing. One of the snow patches was sketchy, so I turned around and thankfully found a social use trail that avoided that snow patch. And then there were some other kind of mandatory snow patches, used the micro spikes, and I'm glad I made it to the top. Beautiful day. Love this view. Just got some water right from the source. I'm at Bighorn Plateau. You can see the Tarn, Great Western Divide, but there's a great view from this hill. And then over here is Mount Whitney. Here's Crabtree Meadows and the approach to Mount Whitney. I'm not going there this time. Made it to Guyot Pass. Just crossed Rock Creek. Right here was a few inches above the knee. Alright, I'm in camp early this afternoon by Rock Creek and a meadow. Hello, day 7 of my trip. I'm just at the border boundary between Inyo National Forest and Sequoia Kings Canyon National Park. I'm on about a 9-mile dry section, and so I'm carrying water, and my feet are dry for the first time in many days, so appreciating that. Alright, I'm getting my first view of Chicken Spring Lake, my destination for tonight. It's a little windy today. I'm in my tent at Chicken Spring Lake. Actually had to move my tent because it was so windy at the first spot. Found a less windy spot. I actually got rocks all around the edge of my tent to hold it down in the wind. Alright, so Doug hiked out overnight and met me at Chicken Spring Lake, and yeah, super glad that he's here. Alright, so this is Doug. He's my fiance. I didn't introduce him the other day, but he came up to meet me at Chicken Spring Lake.
My pleasure.
We just got back to the car to finish the hike. We were gonna stay longer, but got a lot of weather. It rained, it hailed, it was very foggy and really cold, and our gear got wet, so it was time to hike out, and we're back at the car. How was your trip? Mwah.
It was great, except for waking up with a puddle in the tent.
Yes, except for that part. Me too. All right, it was a great hike. Bye.
Bye.